BJP and CPIM have demanded a probe into the allegations made by social activist Arvind Kejriwal against UPA chairperson's son-in-law Robert Vadra. While BJP spokesperson Ravi Shankar Prasad demanded a probe by an independent agency, CPIM leader Brinda Karat said that the government must probe all allegations made against Vadra and file a report.
The allegation is that the DLF, India's largest builders, gave interest-free loans to Robert Vadra and offered him properties on prime locations at throwaway prices. DLF has been given 350 acres of land by the Haryana government. Arvind Kejriwal and Prashant Bhushan allege that this is part of a quid pro quo. They say Vadra gets property cheap in exchange for the land that the Congress-led Haryana government gives to DLF. A furious Congress lashed out at the activists, calling their allegations baseless and preposterous. The Law Minister Salman Khurshid told NDTV Team Kejriwal will be taught a lesson.
We will strategize, we will certainly put our heads together, put our best minds together and see if something more needs to be done to teach them a lesson or two.
Instead of holding press conferences against Robert Vadra, you could go to the court, you should go to the income tax tribunal. Why are you only holding press conferences like this?
Because anything goes wrong in this country, they would say go to the court. So if they feel that they are incapable of running the government, let them resign. Whether we have to go to the court or not, we will decide.
And is there any actual proof that you have, Arvind? Because many are questioning whether you are. There is no concrete proof.
That was not concrete proof what we gave yesterday.
The government is saying that. Mr. Khurshid is saying even legal options will be explored against you.
Salman Khurshid yesterday said it is very unfortunate. He said that it is his duty to protect Congress leadership. I want to tell him that he is not the law minister of Congress. He is the law minister of this country. It is not his duty to protect Congress leadership. It is his duty to protect the interests of all these people.
Thank you.
The Congress MP Sandeep Dixit has slammed the charges made by Arvind Kejriwal against Robert Vadra. He has called the charges baseless and said that Vadra is being targeted just because he is a member of the Gandhi family.
That not only has he tried to attack an individual, Mr. Vadra, through Mr. Vadra he's tried to attack Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, he's tried to attack the Congress by saying that Congress's money may be involved in his deals, and he's tried to say that 3 of the Congress's state governments may have done some favor to either DLF or Mr. Vadra to have got these deals. And therefore it is imperative that we come out and make it very clear that the state governments have absolutely no involvement in DLF's business. DLF itself has said that neither have they ever purchased any land on any concessional rates from the state governments. They've always taken land directly from farmers or on auction. DLF has done no favor to Mr. Vadra, which is very clear from the statements that have come out since this morning. And I think therefore it was a cheap attempt on part of Mr. Kejriwal and his party to try and malign Mr. Vadra and through that to gain some very cheap political victories.
हमारा कहना है कि अगर आरोप गलत है तो इसकी जांच न्यायालयीन जांच क्यों नहीं रखते? अगर न्यायालयीन जांच हो गई तो सच क्या है सामने आ जाएगा। अगर झूठ है तो झूठ आ जाएगा समाज के सामने। अगर झूठ है तो अरविंद पर अब्रू नुकसान भरपाई का दावा लगाओ।
While the BJP has asked for a probe against Robert Vadra, the Samajwadi Party, however, has chosen to remain mum.
There needs to be a specific investigation by the Enforcement Directorate or by the revenue agencies. How did Mr. Robert Vadra, who happens to be the son-in-law of the Nehru Gandhi family, has amassed this wealth?
अब उस पे हम नहीं कहेंगे कुछ, उस पे नहीं। आपको लगता है जांच होनी चाहिए उस पे? हम उस पे कुछ नहीं कहेंगे, नहीं।
ये तो 1 साल पहले कुछ तथ्य सामने आए थे अखबारों में और कल फिर ये सवाल रखे हैं, कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी रखे हैं। हम लोग समझते हैं कि जब ये मुद्दा सामने आया है तो सरकार को इसकी जांच तो जरूर करना चाहिए, स्क्रूटिनी होना चाहिए।